Discovery Cascada Blanca, Nicaragua. Hit Ham. Nestled in the heart of Matagalpa, this is natural paradise is the perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and breaking these landscapes. Explore luxurious trails, swinging crystal clear pools, and capturing unforgettable moments from stunning viewpoints. What makes it special? Unique experience like meditation by the waterfall, tasting authentic Nicaragua cuisine, and practicing sustainable tourism. Ideal for natural lovers, photographers, and travel seeking unforgettable adventures. Make your trip to Nicaragua truly extraordinary. Visit spectacular Cascada Blanca, Matagalpa, Nicaragua. Open every day.